Hey, what's going on, guys? Magic here, back with another video, and today we are checking out the new American Freight update for Rolling Line. So earlier today, the developers of this game released a new update, which basically it has 4 new American freight cars, and so I'll show you them real quick. And I forgot to set it to whoops. So they're right here. As you can see, we got a auto rack, flat top, I guess, hopper. I'm not really sure what the technical term for this. Another hopper. I'm not really sure what the technical term for this is either. I usually just kind of call this like a green hopper, and this just like a hopper. And then a tank car. So as you can see, we are on the Miami shelf map. I believe that's what it's called. And so, yeah. So first we'll check out the auto rack. So, first impression, it looks really nice. Looks like it's modeled really well. Got, oh shoot. Good detail on the trucks. The doors, they look well. Just looks good with the little handles and stuff like that. I think those are locks right there. Those look really nice. I think those really add to the detail. It's nice. So this is in a yellow paint scheme. I want to test something real quick. Does it give you different, or does it? I think every time. Oh no, so it will give you different ones. Looks like just yellow and like this maroonish, I guess. I'm not really sure what color that is. I assume maroon. Not sure what color this would be. Maybe this would be Norfolk Southern or something. I've seen Norfolk Southern with this color, and I assume this would be maybe Union Pacific or something with that yellow. Alright, so cool. The auto racks look very nice. Next, let's move on to this hopper. So, first impressions on this one. Looks very nice. You can see it's got 4 hopper doors on the bottom. Trucks look nice. The ladders and stuff, they look really nice. From up top, it looks really well modeled. You can see where it opens up. God, I hate that. Wish there was a way to get it around that. Maybe if I go like that. Oh, I can. So, no, I'm going to stay like this for now. So, this right here, you can see where it's would open to put stuff into it. I'm actually going to get out of that mode because it's actually really noisy. So that looks nice. And on this side, I think this side is the same as this side, is it? No, this side's actually just got the ladders. And this side, I thought the handbrake, or whatever you want to call it, I think it's the handbrake. Having a brain fart. It's right there. I thought that was the only difference, but now seeing that, it's got those little thingies right there and right there. I'm not sure what those are. But if anyone does know, please do let me know down in the comments. It's got little things right here. I assume that just print and stuff for numbers and letters. Very nice. That looks nice. So I want to test out another thing. Yes, this does spawn different colors. It spawns in a few different colors. That I assume would be like Burlington Northern, that green. So yeah, very nice. Next, let's move on to hopper number 2. So this hopper, just like the other one, very nice. It's got the same little design for the lettering, numbers and stuff. And yeah, and you can see up top right there where it would open to put stuff into it. Looks like this only got 3 hopper doors to unload, unlike the last one, which was 4. It's got the handbrake, those things again. Not sure what those are. The trucks look nice. The ladders and stuff are very well detailed. Those look good. And yeah, so it looks pretty good. Got that brown. Looks like a, is that white? No, that's like a tan. Tan, tan, white, tan. Looks like it's just spawns in 2 colors. Last but not least, we got the tank car. So this looks very nice. Got, turn that down so I can move a little slower. That looks very well. I like the detail of the ladder going up and this little spot up top to fill up and unload. That looks good. I think that's very nicely detailed. Got the little yellow marks. I think those are like reflective things on it. Got a little platform right there to stand on. The little, I think, is this a rail or a pipe? I think that's just rail, yeah. It's just rail for sport. Got the handbrake right there. Another platform. Yes, this looks very nice. This is like a brownish. It almost kind of looks like it's supposed to be weathered. It's pretty nice. Now, this spawns also in white. Oh shoot. And that brown we just checked out. Trying to get that black again real quick. There we go. The black. Just real quick if I can get it. Yep. So here's all 3 of the tanker cars. Probably should have shown all 3 for each of them. Probably go back and do that real quick. Those look really nice. Those are the 3. Those look very well. I'll show you both of the auto racks side by side real quick. Probably help if I could put the 2 different colors. That's what I meant to do. I wasn't even paying attention. Oops. So, here's like the 2 auto racks. Next, these hoppers. I think there's like 3, maybe. 3. Oh, there's 4. Right, so it looks like there's 4 of these hoppers for paint schemes. These all look very nice. And last but not least, this hopper. I already have one of those, never mind. And then for these, the same 4 paint schemes as on the other hopper. So all these look very nice. So overall, this is a good update, I think. As an American myself, I like seeing more base game American freight cars and stuff. So how about we real quick go ahead and make a little train. Use the I think these are AC 4400s. Use the Canadian National, I guess. Why not? Set that down right there. We'll just get a couple tank cars down. Like 1 of each hopper. Then like a couple auto racks. Oops. So while I'm coupling up the train, if you do like these types of videos, roll on, do make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah. So, got a little train right here. Let's get going. Never did a video on the AC 4400s because I wasn't posting a lot then when these came out, I don't think. But the AC 4400 look very nice. Do not want to go that way. Don't shoot. There we go. Let's switch real quick. Heading down the right way. Crap. Can you even talk today? Get the bell on. Blow the horn. That looks cool. But yes, I think it's very nice to have some American rolling stock in the base game instead of just having the quick mods and stuff. So I think this is a really nice add-on to the game. It just goes around this little loop, back the map, goes through here, and yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy, then like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys later. See ya!